I was sharing how the culture transformed. A hero was around 40 years back. He is someone who safeguards the forest. And now the hero is someone who cuts away the forest and who is a smuggler. This we can understand. So Gandha the Gudi is all about safeguarding, and nowadays the current cinema, of course I'm a part of the cinema also, most of the time the cultural shift, what happened, that was quite interesting for us. So here I would like to, though what I could not do in real life, cinema life, but I wish, I'm able to do it in real life, and I'm grateful for politics. I'm grateful for people for AP for choosing me and getting me elected through Pitapuram and taking charge as a deputy CM.
You know, my friend anko, uncle anko, man kavalsina anko, నాకు ఇష్టమైతే నేను వస్తా. నా మనసుకు నచ్చితే నేను వస్తా. నేను కేవలం ఈ మాట ఓన్లీ కేవలం నా ఫ్యాన్స్, మై డియర్ ఆర్మీ, ఓన్లీ మీకే చెప్తున్నా. నేను ఇది పబ్లిక్ చెప్పట్లేదు, కేవలం మీకు చెప్తున్నా.